Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records. In today's video, I'll be walking you guys through this amazing MIDI kit. It's a Bryson Killer Trap Show MIDI kit. And if you're new here, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It surely does help us a lot. So to demonstrate this, I'll be using a concept classic grand piano to show you this. So I'm gonna start with the first one. Call back.
Believers Radio. Believers Radio.
So the second, dark. Disturbed. Jungle. Never meant to be. Saved by the Bell. So you guys, you can just see this is amazing MIDI kit. This is the second one from the previous one. This is the loop. So you guys, I'm gonna try to make a beat just to show you how you can actually, how you can actually make crazy sounds with this thing. So let's try and make a beat with this. Let's see. I'm trying to figure out which one I'm gonna use to make a beat with it. So let's use the Major Static Chances, a lo-fi drum kit. Let's look for a kick. Let's try and make a beat. I just want to show you what you can actually do with this thing. You can actually make crazy, amazing sounds with this. So guys, you gotta get this drum kit. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. It's amazing. Trust me. I think it's more better than the previous one. This one has a more emotional touch feeling. So you gotta get this. Let's make a beat with it. So yeah, man, you checked it out. This is an amazing MIDI kit, man. You gotta get this MIDI kit.